All right, Jeff, I got your 1940 Coupe engine here. It's that beautiful 302 carbureted engine. Gonna love to see that in that Ford Coupe. We're gonna fire it up. I think we're gonna achieve about 400 horsepower, what you were looking for. Let's see where it goes. Very nice. Oil pressure is good. My AFRs are right where I want them. I'm gonna pull to about 6,500. I think we're gonna achieve our 375, 400 goal. Because I know you want to drive this thing around, and that's what I did. Made it a real driver. Horsepower. Beautiful. Love it. Real nice. Nice motor. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This happens to be my little 302 Chevy motor I've been working on. This is not a race motor. The gentleman wanted a 302 Chevy. He didn't care how I built it, and he wanted 375 to 400 horsepower. It's going into a 1940 Ford Coupe. This thing was built so he could drive it anywhere he wants. Very simple. And I achieved 415 horsepower. Yes, could I have put a bigger cam in it and wind the thing up to 9,000? Absolutely, I'm sure I can. I build what the customer wanted. It's even painted Ford red. That what the gentleman wants is what he gets. I'm only running a little 650 Holley on there. Probably could have got away with a 5. But who knows? You know, AFRs are around 12.9, which is good for this carburetor. He's running this full boat little system on here, high rise. He wants it to show. It's got AFR heads, small baby heads. We got minimal, 10.0, 9.5 compression on the motor. But it's got all good parts. He could drive this motor anywhere and never have a problem. No water leaks, no oil leaks. You can check the oil pressure is beautiful. Again, it's a real driver, and that's what the gentleman wanted. It's what I gave him, and it's gorgeous. Hey, we're all rocket scientists one way or another. It depends on what they want. Check out some of my videos if you think I don't know how to build some power. Man, I build a lot of badass motors here. All you gotta do is look online and check them out. Peace.